Scotch-Brite Clean and Strip XT Pro and XT Pro Extra Cut. What are they? They are discs that are used either in a 4.5 inch size with an arbor hole on a right angle tool or on a 3 inch disc sander. And what we do with them is we remove rust, mill scale, other coatings, paints. The difference between the two is in the mineral. Indirect competition to this would be a wire bristle brush. That's what we're going to run today in the lab with these two products. And the differences are not only just safety, right? Those wire bristles break, fly all around. With this, since it's a nylon web, safety is less of a concern, but the biggest difference between the two is this is significantly faster than a wire bristle brush. All right, clean and strip here, wire here. Around this wire right here. There you go. I know.
That one.
I can smell a little wire burning.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So you see,
58.89 seconds.
we're gonna round that up. We're gonna
Third of the job done.
hit me with a needle.
Alright, next up.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Grinders to your mark. Begin. Alright. Timed out.
Zach, you stink!